Alcohol Awareness Week is always a really good week for us thinking and reflecting on our own drinking or the drinking of others. So here's a few tips about what you might want to look out for if your drinking might be just a wee bit on the heavy side, and some tips for making changes. Are you drinking every day? Do you need to have a drink in order to go and socialise with your friends? Are you coming in from work and drink is the first thing you're thinking about? Are you feeling guilty about your drinking when you wake up in the morning? So these are the sort of things that we might want to think about that may be cause for concern in relation to our drinking. What might we do in order to help that particular situation? Well, we might think about having days or periods without drinking. We could think about drinking or pouring ourselves smaller measures, particularly if we're drinking at home. So drinking is a cultural thing. It's a thing we do in our society. It enables creativity, socialisation. But like all things, I suppose, in society, it needs to be done in moderation. And the key issue during alcohol awareness is to think about what you're doing. And finally, for those of you who might be interested in working with those individuals, families, carers who experience some problems with drinking, what you might consider doing is applying for courses here in Glyndŵr, say criminology, nursing, social work. Thank you very much. Have a good and safe alcohol week.